Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing well. This is Khadi. This is another interesting day where we have to design our own overlay that you have to show your subscribers while your video is playing on YouTube. Something like this, where it shows your subscribe element and the like element. So if you want to know how we can design this ourselves without buying from any tool or any website, please just stay with me throughout the video so I can show you how you can design your own subscribe overlay button. Firstly, you need a design tool. In this case, you've guessed it right, we're using CANVA, right? Because CANVA can do everything. It's a great design tool. You can just check out the link in the description section if you want to use it. So you will go to create a design, and you can just select YouTube thumbnail. It doesn't matter, basically it's just the size of the YouTube screen, and you will be presented with this empty canvas. So what you want to do now, you just have to firstly decide on the design that you want. It's either you want the same design that I just showed you now, or you can just come up with any design. So the elements that we're going to use, we are going to just select on the element option. We can just take this box here and we can just change the color. Let's just change the background first. Let's just make it black, it's fine. And we change the box color to white. Change it to white. We can just resize it. So now we need to put your picture. You can even put your logo, and you can also add the comment element, subscribe element. It depends what element you want to add for the viewers to subscribe to your channel or to like your videos, right? Use my logo in this instance, but for me to add my logo, let me just add it here and I'll use it later. So to add my logo, you must just go to element and just say image frame, and I'm using a free plan. So if you want to use the pro plan, because as you can see it has different and nice options, then you can take it up, right? But the free one also works. So just look for the free element that you want to use for a picture, for an image. You can use any. I will go with this one. Okay, you can drag it and just edit here and resize it. Just resize it so you can just fit in the box. Perfect. So the next element that we need, we'll add the like element, like and subscribe, and you can just go through. This is the one that I want, or you can even select this one. I like this one because it has animation, but if it doesn't have animation, I'll show you now what you can do to add your own animation to it. But for now, let's just take this one. Cool. We've added our like animation, so let's just look for the subscribe one. We can even take this, we can use this one, edit. So that's nice, right? So right now, let's say you have selected a static image like this one and you want animation on it. You can just select it and go here at the top and just say animate, and you will see that different options that you can select from for animation. You can select a tumble or whatever the case might be. It's up to you, right, as to what type of animation you want your element to take. So that's how you go about it. But for now, for the purpose of this video, this is what we are going to go with. You can add this to your videos as an overlay, so that you can just inform your viewers to like or subscribe to your channel. And if they like the video, they must not forget to just click on the like button, right? This is the video I have for you guys. I hope you've enjoyed it and it has added value. The reason I've decided to show you this design aspect is I saw a guy who was selling this template for, I forgot, right, was it $60, $100? I mean, this is something you can design for yourself, so you don't have to buy it. You can use Canva and design it however you want it. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please look out for more videos and let me know as to what other videos you want me to cover, so that you can grow your affiliate marketing business, and also you can improve in terms of your design and graphic skills. This is Khadi. Cheers for now.